Okay, so my room starts like this. There's just a door there, and it's like has a key fob, so that's how you open the door. I have this right here, and this clothing rack is from Ikea, and then I just have like all my jackets, like my suits and stuff that I just want to keep hung up and on display. So moving on, it's just more posters like SZA, Barbie, Marilyn Monroe. So this is what my poster wall looks like. Then moving on, we have my bed. As you can see, there's a cement wall that I haven't like filled yet. I was gonna fill, but I didn't have time, obviously. So all of my sheets and stuff are also from Ikea, as well as my pillows and my pillow covers. My bed's a bit wrinkly because I've been sitting on it because I haven't actually slept in it in a while. And then underneath the bed, well, first I guess I'll show you, I got this rug off Amazon. I had another rug, but we're not gonna explain what happened to it. So after you move past my bed, you have my big window. This window is actually gigantic. Oh, let's see if I can fit in the frame. It's really big. And this side right here opens. And I just have some picture frames and like these fake Ikea plants there, Kleenex box and stuff. And so a lot of people have like clear windows, but I don't know why mine was just like never cleaned, even though they said they were cleaning it like 300 times. But they just like never did, so I just really want to know what's up. Like, but I just have this big window, and that's where I take all my selfies and stuff. Golden hour lighting here, it's different, period. Right now I'm obviously sitting in front of my window, and you can see how good the lighting is. That's how I get all my selfies and like the posters and the notorious neon green jacket that's always in the background of all my pictures. So it's a pretty nice view, like usually, but like it's like foggy today, so yeah. Then there's a corkboard here, so that's obviously where I put all my pictures. It's right above the desk. It's gonna put more first year pictures here, but like I said, I didn't have time. Also a lamp under here, if I can figure out how to turn this on. Oh, sorry, I unplugged it. But
that doesn't make no sense, my man.
Like if there's a lamp under here, so you don't need to bring your own, but I did. So then here's the desk. It's really big, and it's wooden. It has like a pull-out thing there, and the desk chair is also extremely comfortable. It's like leather or faux leather or something, so that's really nice as well. And then down here they give you like this like 3 like drawer armoire thing down here. So like I just have like, so we're just not gonna open that. Some stuff in here. Organized, and then I just have a power cord on the ground. Here I usually have most of my bags, but some of them I took home already, like my belts, my hats, sunglasses that I have here. Here is the closet. So I just have like my robe hanging here. It's just 2-door, and then you have like these little places where I put like my pants and stuff. It's a bit of a mess right now. And then again, more drawers, which I'm not gonna open. You know what a drawer looks like. If you don't, I can't help you. On the inside, there's a mirror. This is me. Yeah, I just got this thing from Ikea to like put my other shoes in. And then in here is just the rest of my clothes, which I'm gonna take home today. And then more clothes up there, which is an actual disaster. I just have this trolley thing here, which I just keep miscellaneous things in. I almost forgot to tell everyone that I did get LED lights. I caved. I know I'm basic as fook, but I had to do it to at night. Like right now probably doesn't look that cool, but at night it like goes over the whole room, so my whole room will be purple if I want it like that. And these are from Amazon, and I'm gonna link them down below. So now I'm gonna like pack everything up so you can see what the room looks like empty. So I just finished taking everything down. So this is what the room looks like empty. That's just stuff that I'm taking out right now. But that's the hook, empty wall, and your closet. This is what it looks like empty. And in case I didn't mention it before, this is 45 Willcocks residence in New College, so this is the one I'm moving into. This is it. I'm on the 7th floor. And this is my room. just want to say thank you to everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had other videos planned, like day in the life of U of T students, stuff like that, but because of Corona, that's not going to be happening anymore. But let me know if you want more content, more videos. I don't know, I just felt like I needed to make this. So yeah, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed.